Hey, it's Mike with Green Glides. It's Monday, July 6th, I believe. I'm in Anaheim, California, in this luxurious Quality Inn. Just me and my bike, waiting to go up to Santa Cruz. And I spent the day at the Westpac facility fine-tuning the JubiLee. This is the week. We're waiting for a package of the internal pressure lines to come in that got delayed over the weekend with the holiday, I guess. They'll be in on Wednesday. And wait till you guys see this line. It's super cool. Steel braided, but in a kind of a charcoal clear cover. And Westpac's gonna make some in 25 and 50 foots to see if guys want to run it as their regular supply line. It's really neat looking. I don't know how it's gonna retain the heat. But regardless, that's coming in. And then we had to make a choice on a couple of aesthetic matters. And we made a discovery on the heat circulating system that we're going to have to change. And we're going to think about that tonight and tomorrow, just so we can be as safe as possible. As Martin Sanchez, he's been on the forums, Facebook forever. Super nice guy, local here, 20 minutes down the road. He was kind enough to come by and loan us his TCS Chief with a little Giant number 3. And it was cooking hot. It's kind of warm today. And we discovered something about the system that probably wouldn't be safe in someone that was slightly careless and around kids. So we're going to modify that. And for those of you that pre-ordered the bypass system, we'll get up to date with you on that. But for most of you, like Martin, like myself, heat's not really a big deal. And with a heat exchange system, if you keep moving, build up your heat as you would with carpet, and you keep moving, the water's going to stay hot. It's when you stop and take a phone call, or you're setting up your furniture, or grooming, or whatever it is, the water in the hose is going to cool down. In Martin's case, the little Giant was keeping it pumping. But every truck mount's different, so we want to have that option for guys that feel like they need a bunch of heat. Maybe you're cleaning a lot of restaurants, movie theaters, microfiber, family room furniture that's caked with grease. But for most people that we've heard from, they're not concerned about it at all. They're the sort that pre-vacuum and agitate and rinse, with an acidic rinse, and they're more concerned about quick dry times than anything else. You'll see in the video after this, Martin was blown away with how quick this thing was drying. Originally, we were going to send these out with O2 jets, but after playing around with it, it's just more water than anybody needs, really. And if that's what you want, that's fine. You can do an O3, O4, whatever you want. It's really easy to change the jet out with a socket, either the interlink tool, that little T, or any long socket. You just stick it in the vacuum spray chamber, pull the jet out, retape it, put whatever you want. But we think for most people, most use, 1.5 is going to make everyone happy. And you can go down too if you want, but there's also the pressure, called the pressure regulator ball valve that's on there with that cool little Green Glides made valve that won't turn on the carpet like the competition's does. Set it, forget it. So we are super thankful for the patience of the 50 some odd people that prepaid for these tools. Your reward is coming. They're going to start building them on Wednesday, probably send out as many as possible on Friday, and then hopefully the rest on Monday. And I was hoping I could take some home with me, but I got to head up north here in the morning. But I'll have some on hand for those of you that need them ASAP. Otherwise, we'll drop ship them from Westpac. But they came out beautiful. The titanium is just nice and light. The glide is good and snug in the beginning, but manageable to pop it off and on. And every time you do, it'll get that much easier. But the versatility of the three, we'll call it a 3-glide system, whole slot and without, because it does a lot of things like stairs and real thick, heavy fabric, outdoor patio furniture without the glide, where you want the agitation from the metal lips. But yeah, everything came out really nice. The 1.5-inch vacuum hose, the swivel right behind your hand. Sorry, 1.25 inch. You detail guys probably just had your heart skip. 1.25 inch hose is nice and maneuverable, flexible, in a beautiful shade of green. And you'll see in the little pictures here. Oh, and by the way, speaking of titanium, the titanium chosen wands came in. There's just a handful of these, and when I picked up the two, the steel and the tie, I was shocked at the difference. I didn't think it'd be that much, but it's very noticeable. I'm gonna bring one home with me for doing some videos. And I know we've had quite a few people say they were interested in that. And those are $800. So 300 more than the steel. But for you guys that like a lightweight wand, I'm not sure if there's anything lighter out there, to be honest with you. And that beautiful 2-jet triangulated vacuum setup that the hundreds and hundreds of chosen wand owners out there now know is a phenomenal setup. So enjoy the pictures, enjoy the short videos. Thanks again, Martin Sanchez, for showing up. Really appreciate it. And you guys all know how to get a hold of me. The JubiLee is up for order on my site, greenglides.com, as well as Jim Pemberton's Pemberton Supply. If you're one of Jim's customers, those will be sent out here by the end of the week, next Monday. And again, thanks a ton. We really appreciate it, and we know you're going to love it. Take care. We got Martin Sanchez. Everybody knows Martin from the boards and Facebook over the years. He's trying out the first production JubiLee here at Westpac in Anaheim, California. And he pre-sprayed this office chair. And he's normally a low moisture tool guy, so this is new to him. Ironically, green hose was already his choice. That's all his. So he's happy with that choice. So how's it feel to you, the ergonomics and the weight and all that? It feels pretty darn dry.
Almost dry here.
Using a good amount of water. You can see we turned the dial a bit to restrict the flow.
That's a lot better.
Huh?
A lot better.
Less water is better?
Yeah.
Still putting it out. So what if we just went 100? Will your truck mount go to 100 PSI?
100 is the minimum, yeah.
That's minimum? That's pretty typical.
Keep them good.
Let me see what that feels like. Yeah, that's plenty of water to clean this fabric, huh?
Plenty.
Yeah. Yeah, that little dial, you know, when it's on the floor there, it's not going to roll around on you or get out of adjustment.
Yeah, no dry pass, as you know, almost right.
That's pretty darn good.
Yeah.
And you'll notice that's with the whole glide, if you look at it. So that's going to dry a little bit better than a slot glide. But if you're cleaning real cruddy, greasy furniture, the slot's probably going to be better for you. You can carry both.
It works great.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You feel the lightness of the hose and the swivel going on?
Picks up a lot more water than my supplier.
That feels really good. Put that out in the sun, it'll be drying
Oh,
before it even gets out there,
I
right?
didn't even clean it.
So we wanted it to be versatile. That's why there's two different glides. And if you want, we can take the glide off. And not ideal for this kind of situation, not too gentle. But on a big old overstuffed Herculon or patio furniture, or doing a staircase, you don't want the glide hitting the tackless on a thin carpet staircase, and you'll get a little agitation out of it. So we'll pop that off and let you give that. Did you say you had upholstery in your van?
Huh?
Is there fabric upholstery in your van?
No,
Vinyl. Okay. Let me pause it.
The glide.
So now without the glide. Grabs more, right? This is a tough fabric. It can take it. But if you're dealing with worn areas or natural fibers that are going to pull or distort, definitely use the glide. They pop off and on. They're going to be a little stiff the first couple times you do it. We already got a lot of rug cleaners liking them for detailing rugs, and with this they can do the fringe without sucking the fringe in and damaging the cotton.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it does more than any other tool out there at this point with those three options.
Picks up a lot of water, man.
Picks up a lot of water.
It's almost like it.
Yeah. What I like about the windows, a customer can see it, but you can't, so you don't micro-obsess on it. Too many people with the windows on their wands sit there and stare at it all day thinking the water's eventually going to run clean, and sometimes it ain't ever running clean. They end up overwetting it, causing bacteria and slow drying. He's loving it.
It works good.
And we got the valve like halfway. We want less water. He had it at 200, and he's liking it. It's probably like 100. Ah, there's a test. Uh-oh, this will be a good video.
Ready to be used.
All right, let's see what you got. Not bad.
Yeah, it's